Okay, so here's my Gator case problem. So you see this latch right here, it kind of just turns a whole bunch and doesn't stay latched. Usually I'll get to the gig and this will be off. So you can see this is kind of off right here. All of them kind of are like that. So basically I'm kind of just looking to get some new latches. I believe it's a 10 by 6 up. Not sure what I got going on inside. It's been a while since I've used this. Might be a 10 by 8. I'm not sure. Or 10 up. But that's the basic issue. When you go to put the thing on, it doesn't actually stay latched. So you show up at the gig and surprise, your gear is exposed in the trailer. So there you go. Just trying to figure out what we can do here on these. Thank you.